Go. He's locking the garage door with a key. It's locked. Now hold it on the garage. I have the simple tools in my pockets. All you need is a simple bobby pin and a small screwdriver. And it takes some time to figure out exactly how to position the lock. But once you put it in there, it'll start to spin. You just fiddle with it a little bit. And make sure the bottom screwdriver is not in too much. And it takes some just fiddling basically until you feel it turning. It's really trial and error. That's how you do it, trial and error. See how long it takes me this time. We tried it 3 times and we got it. There you go, and you can see it's turning. And now we open the garage door with simple screwdriver and bobby pin.
Wow.
And then you just press the middle button.